Kent, England. 27 semi-pro drivers rev up for a competition on the legendary Brands Hatch racing circuit. As soon as the first lap begins, driver Jason Templeton surges ahead, eager to take an early lead. But being at the front of the pack is about to knock him out of the race. And into a nightmare. A Challenger rams Jason at 70 miles an hour, spinning him to a stop in traffic. The second hit cracks open his gas tank, and the searing heat of the undercarriage ignites the spewing fuel. Inside the four-wheeled furnace, Jason suddenly realizes he can't open his crumpled door. He lunges for the passenger side and stumbles out of the choking smoke. Jason is able to walk away as rescue crews put an end to the fiery madness. This driver thought a fast start would propel him to the winner's circle. Instead, it nearly made him finish dead last.